Alright, let's take a look at reset of ownership. I have a safety scanner that when I click on it, you can see that I have module owned configured by another controller. There may be multiple fault codes that come with this, but essentially what you'll see is it's faulted, and when I go to connection, it'll say module owned and configured by another controller, or safety configuration mismatch, or safety network number mismatch. You'll see some kind of fault like that. That is indication that the fault code, or that we need to do a reset of ownership. So most of the Rockwell Safety IO, we just hit reset of ownership. The SafeZone 3 scanner is a little bit unique in that I need to go to the field set configurator. So I'm going to double click on that and we will launch that. Once that is open, I just want to make sure it's the right scanner. So you'll see I'm blocking my scanner with my hand. It is in fact the correct scanner. So what I need to do is go to Service and Ethernet IP, and I need to remove the link. Basically say, and I'm going to need my administrative password, which I've previously set up. And we're going to remove that link to the old processor because I just switched it between my systems. It says link to the controller was removed. The next thing I have to do is go to the configuration and transfer. Basically transfer what's in the GuardLogix file down into the scanner. So I'm going to say transfer to device. My case is going to be a little unique because I just moved it between controllers. So it's going to say, hey, they're a lot the same. Do you want to do it anyway? Yes. Typically, you will not see that kind of notification. Once the configuration has been transferred down to the scanner, the verification report will be displayed. And you really want to go through and verify that the verification report is in fact correct. Usually what I do is just make sure that the general basics of the device are correct and really take a look at the fields that I've configured, make sure those are the ones that I want, and also make sure that the monitoring cases represent the choices that I've made. If those are all true, I click OK. And that's going to spool up, and then I hit apply configuration. You'll see that it's already running in the background. I'm just going to apply that configuration, and it's going to disconnect the field set configurator, and we're running. We're ready to use this scanner. Our code should now all be active that we configured in our application. That should be ready to go. Look for the running. One thing worth noting is in safety, it's still going to say not owned because of that special procedure that we used. Look for the running here, or down in your IO configuration, look for the running status. That means the scanner is in fact ready to go. Sometimes you'll also have to hit apply at this level depending on what level of configuration or when the scanner was configured. So OK and apply may be necessary. Then your scanner is now reset and running.